Welcome back to the channel. So I officially have 1 week left to get this bike ready for its MOT. As you will have seen in the last episode, which is actually coming out today as I'm filming this, we got quite a bit done, got some wiring done, the brakes done, they're all bled, and it's all fitted. I've come out this morning and the front caliper is leaking. So I've done a bit of a check. There wasn't really anything on the floor until I did some testing. Hopefully, I don't know if I can be able to show you this, but essentially I believe it's from, yeah, the brake's getting a bit spongy now. This was rock solid earlier. You should start to see the drip forming. There it comes. There it goes. Nice little drip. So this right hand piston is definitely leaking. I think the other one's actually okay. It's had new seals and it was a touch and go with that. Well, you might as well be in one of my videos. You're not doing any of your own, are you?
Presently I'm not actually, no.
Right, so this is a brake caliper that Martin rebuilt. This is a brake caliper that Martin rebuilt because he rebuilt both of them. And this is leaking.
That's the one Joe did.
It is leaking.
Can't see it. Oh, is it that one?
That one I told you to replace.
Oh, the irony. It's so satisfying.
What are you on about?
Just how you're always trying to tell me to replace everything. And then for one time, the roles are reversed and I say, you need to replace that. And you go, nah, I'll be alright with it.
No, you didn't say that.
Oh. Funny, because I've actually got video evidence of that.
Let this be duly noted.
I'll let this turn off.
I have said this is not fit for reuse. And Joe says...
It's fine. It'll go again.
Always cutting corners ears.
Yeah, me. That's right.
Never does a job properly.
No. What are we suggesting here?
Well, being as that's the one that was the absolutely knackered piston that I said is probably going to leak, I would suggest you could probably replace that with another piston.
Oh my god, don't look at that. Don't.
Show the people close up.
No.
Show them how good I am.
He's really good. Hopefully nobody ever sees that.
It's alright, but never quite.
Nobody will ever see that again, so it's
Bang up choppers. Built by Luke.
Give it a knock. Tap it.
Don't knock them till you've tried them.
I'll tell you what, mate, it was a miracle that you just found that special Triumph clutch tool.
Yeah.
It's
there you go.
just gone.
Oh,
Disappeared,
yeah.
isn't it?
It's not that.
Not that at all. We wouldn't do such a thing.
I'll put that back.
Okay, so he's in. Hold the rod.
Do not hand me your rod.
Insert the rod.
Because that bloomy's.
So today is Friday.
Ratchet, please.
It's behind you. In the tool set. On the shelf where it belongs.
They were all out on the floor till you've come in going all OCD.
Lots has happened on this, hasn't it?
If you give me the right size socket for that. Done up.
It's good, this is.
Do you want to show them the new key feature of Kickstart?
Yeah, go on.
It stops you
Do
getting hit
your
with the leg.
demonstration, yeah. The anti-kickback device.
The anti-kickback device.
The reason you're going to have to take it all apart again.
It's fine.
We'll start again.
Alright. Fucking fixed, mate. Someone tried to fix that.
Where's the spare plug? Go on, pull the thing. We can do that demonstration. That's exciting, isn't it? Signs of life.
The third plug.
The third plug. This thing that's desperate to be a Rocket 3.
It's really not.
Oh. So here we have a spark plug. Oh, did you see it?
Hey, there it is. Huh? Told ya. Anti-kickback.
Yeah, we need to have a look in there.
It's alright.
There we go.